Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish and we're about halfway into the product life cycle of the iPhone 12 family. And so I thought it was the right time to reinvest in the largest member of the family, quite literally the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is not only the largest and the most capable, but also the most feature-packed of the family. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Regular viewers of the channel will know that the last time I unboxed an iPhone 12 Pro Max, which was around the time of launch, it was in the Pacific blue color. Instead, this time I have the gold color, just for a difference, and it looks really rich and affluent in this color, in this finish. And this was imported in the month of March 2021. It has an MRP of 1,39,900 rupees, and to be honest, you can get it cheaper nowadays. There are lots of avenues. I might do another video explaining how you can get your hands on one of these for less money than the MRP, especially in June 2021. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch out for new videos. But let's get into the unboxing. So as you can see, there is a nice tab here that we can use to get inside the box. So we'll use that to open the packaging. Nice satisfying sound. And we take off the packaging like so. And in typical iPhone and Apple style, as we lift the lid, we reveal the iPhone 12 Pro Max for the first time in the gold color. And I will use that tab to lift it. This is the first time I'm laying hands on it. Okay, looks really pristine in this finish. Unfortunately, these gold sides are also known to be fingerprint magnets. They've gone for the right kind of matte finish on the back, but unfortunately the part of the phone that gets grabbed the most is glossy. It's actually the opposite. It was opposite on my blue iPhone 12 that had a matte side which was grippy enough, as well as not being a fingerprint magnet. So I think that is the way forward for their future designs. It's unlikely to come with the iPhone 13, but at some stage in the future I'm hoping for that. So let's keep that aside for a second, just see quickly what else is in the box. Well, we're all aware that this time around there's not much inside the box. You get this Type-C to Lightning cable, and you get some regulatory information, the SIM ejector tool, and the obligatory Apple sticker. In the interest of the environment, this time they've gone for this paper screen protector instead of the usual plastic ones from the previous generation. And there you go. Let's try turning on this phone for the first time. Okay, there's the Apple logo. And there we are. That's the iPhone 12 Pro Max turned on for the first time in the gold color. It looks really regal, and it's a nice understated pinky creamish gold color on the back, and really glossy and standing out gold color on the bezels. The setup is really easy. If you have another iPhone or iPad, just bring them too close together and the new iPhone will get set up with your Apple ID automatically. In terms of screen protectors, the Glass R Easy Fit by Spigen is a good choice. It comes with a nice mold in which you can place these phone and the screen protector will get aligned perfectly. You press it down and leave it alone for 30 seconds, after which once you peel off the mold and the top cover, you will find that more often than not that the screen protector is applied without any bubbles. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.